In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Suno AI vocals. If your generated singer sounds robotic, the pitch feels off, words blur together, the volume jumps between too loud and too quiet, the emotion falls flat, or you hear little glitches and distortion, this walkthrough is for you. We'll start with the foundation, your lyrics. Robotic delivery often comes from long, complex sentences packed with too many syllables. Suno performs best with short conversational lines that breathe. Instead of, I am contemplating the emotional instability of this situation, try, I don't know what I'm feeling tonight. Simple phrasing helps the model shape vowels and timing more naturally, leading to clearer words and smoother pitch. Next, guide the performance with meta tags. Drop cues like soft vocals, emotional, powerful chorus, falsetto, or whispered right in your sections. For example, write chorus, powerful vocals, we rise tonight. These signals tell the model how to deliver, improving energy, clarity, and presence where you need it. Be specific in your style prompt. Instead of a vague pop song, say modern pop song with strong emotional female vocals, or R&B track with smooth, soulful male vocals. Describing the vocal tone focuses the engine and increases realism. When a single phrase disappoints, don't throw away the whole take. In the editor, highlight the weak part and regenerate just that section. Iterating locally preserves everything that already works while fixing the problem spot. Keep your genre list tight. Stacking too many styles can confuse the vocal identity. Swap a pileup like pop rock EDM trap hyperpop cinematic for a clear direction such as emotional pop ballad with piano and live drums. One lane, better vocals. Once you like the performance, use remaster to clean it up. It's great for vocals that sound muddy, unbalanced, or slightly distorted. Think of it as polish, not a rescue mission. It won't fix lyrics that were overwritten. Finally, control key and energy through your wording. Very high energy prompts can push the singer into shouty or strained territory. If the tone feels harsh, remove words like aggressive and extreme and try smooth or warm instead. Keep the intensity aligned with the feeling of the song. Put these moves together, iterate a few times, and your Suno vocals will land more naturally with clearer words, steadier pitch, and the emotion your track deserves. As you listen back, compare versions, keep what works, and refine the rest. A few thoughtful prompt tweaks usually beat dozens of full regenerations, and they'll get you to a mix-ready vocal faster.